Our facility sits on 20 acres with plenty of brush to clear and maintain. We have a variety of brush from saplings to grasses. The methods we've used in the past are time-consuming, outdated. It's taken us a long time to do things that we really didn't have time to do in the first place. So efficiency is one thing that we definitely need in brush clearing equipment. With the addition of the Orec equipment, we'll be able to clear a lot more and more varied things than we've ever done before. The Orec line is the perfect equipment to do all those types of brush.